Hi, I'm Joe with WTI, and personally, I think that drinks taste better when they're in a beautiful glass. And look at this one, it's beautiful. It's from Luxe, and it's actually a fancy crystal cocktail glass that you can use for any cocktail, martinis, and I especially love it for champagne because I love those bubbles. Now, you can get it in a set of 4 or a set of 2, and it also has a bar spoon. And one of the things that I love most about it is the style. It's a modern vintage style. It's hard blown crystal, but it's lightweight and very sturdy, which is great because you can actually put it in the dishwasher. It's dishwasher safe. Now, the other thing that I love about it is that it's a natural color. So it's glass. So whatever you put in it, whether it's a purple gin, or if you put make a mimosa, it's gonna show up beautifully in this glass. It has a smooth laser cut lip, which is perfect for adding garnishes to your drink. It's easy to hold, and something that's beautiful is that it is also an awesome gift because the box that it comes with is just beautiful. So I really like it. I've enjoyed it. All my friends give me lots of compliments with my drink. I'm going to have a little mimosa right now, and I really think you should check it out. I love it, and that is my point of view.